Hi, I'm Andrea Lilienfeld with the K Grant Group, part of My Home Group Real Estate based in Scottsdale, Arizona. Recently, when looking at trends we're seeing across the Arizona real estate market, I've noticed more and more people contacting me looking for homes for sale with a casita. Or more specifically, what they're really looking for is multi-generational homes for sale in Arizona. The main reason they're looking for this is either one, they have an aging parent they're wanting to move into their home, but they want to make sure the parent and them both have their own space. Or two, with the increased prices of housing, they're seeing children that are out on their own, they're done with college, and they can't afford quite their own place yet. And so having a multi-generational home is a perfect fit for them. The city of Phoenix has actually also seen this same trend. And because of this, they actually just legalized backyard guest house for Phoenix. And they did it for those two very reasons. One, to help with the amount of supply out there in the market, provides that many more homes for people, as well as two, to help with the affordability factor. So what exactly is a multi-generational home? Well, this is going to be a home all under one roof or in one lot that allows for two completely separate living spaces, including two separate kitchens. It's going to have two separate entrances into both properties, typically two different laundry areas. It truly is two homes on one property, allowing for that multi-generational family, those two generations, to be in one location to help with affordability as well as general care. So if you're personally interested in learning more about multi-generational homes or about homes for sale with a casita here in Arizona, please reach out to me. The team would love to help you, and I can be reached at 480-387-3990.